Good morning, friends. Last but not least, step up lesson 10 puts you in a position to be comfortably moving into third grade with a nice review of everything that we learned in second grade. This is some connections between the second grade material and what you're going to learn in third grade. And the problem at the top of the page, 958. Pause the video if you don't have 958. 958 is back in your journal. I will pull it up. What fraction names all the pieces in the casserole? Well, here's the casserole. What fraction names it? If you don't want to pause the video and you just want to look at mine, look at it. What fraction names all the pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pieces. That means there are 1/6. 6 equal parts. Mrs. Rayo made a cake. What fraction of the whole cake does each piece represent? Well, count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal pieces. 1/8. 1 out of 8. In the picture, how many 1/8 pieces were eaten? Well, 2. What fraction of the whole cake was eaten? So this is tricky. So if you're looking at it, this is actually 2/8, but 2/8 is actually can be reduced to 1/4. Why is it 1/4? Because there's 4 parts. Two make a fourth. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a fourth of the pizza. If there were 4 pieces, that's that chunk right there, the fourth. So this is tough because it's reducing fractions. In 4 through 7, use the figure below. 1 blue, 2 yellow, equal parts. Write the unit fraction that represent each part of the whole. Each part of the whole is, well, 1/3. How many 1/3 parts are yellow? 2. What fraction of the whole is yellow? 2/3. And what fraction names all the parts in the whole? All 3 out of 3. 3/3. So again, the fraction is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. How many 1/3 parts are yellow? 2 of them. What fraction of the whole is yellow? 2/3. What fraction names all the parts in the whole? In 8 through 11, write the unit fraction that represents each part of the whole, then write the number of blue parts in the fraction of the whole that is blue. Whoa, okay, a lot going on here. Write the unit fraction. So that's the first. So all of them, there's 2 parts, one out of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1 out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 1 out of 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first thing is 1 out of 8. Now it says then write the blue parts. So what part's blue? So now you have to take and write another fraction here. So I know this is halves, fourths, sixths, eighths. Then I got to figure out how many are blue. Well, this one's the same. It's 1 out of 2. This is 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of, it's not 3 out of 3. It's 3 out of total 4. 3/4. Go ahead and try these two, the blue over here. And then it says draw a rectangle that shows 6 equal parts. Then shade 3 of the 6 rectangle. Explain how you shaded 3 of the 6 rectangle, which is actually 1/2. So draw it, shade it, create a fraction. On the back, this is it. What is the distance around the baseball card? Write an equation to show and solve the problem. This is tricky. This is a review of chapter, I believe, 13, perimeter. If you just add 8 plus 6, you're going to get it wrong. It's a quick review. You should have seen this a couple weeks ago. Janice has 2 scarves. Carla has 3 times as many scarves. How many scarves does Carla have? Draw a circle that represents 6 equal parts. Shade more than 3/6 of the circle, but less than 5/6. So it's going to be 4/6. What fraction have you modeled? 4/6. Down at the bottom, Kiko and some friends bought a medium party tray. They ate 5 sections of the tray, which the following shows the unit fraction and then fraction of the tray that was not eaten. Whoa! Which of the following shows the unit fraction, the fraction of the tray that was not eaten? So here's the medium. They ate 5 sections. That's what you're going to be based it off of right here. Down at the bottom, Jesse and his friends ordered a large party tray. Which unit does each section of the party tray represent? Here's the large. Which is one section of this down here. Any questions, come see me. This is a good back-to-back fractions activity on page 959, 960.